Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. I am your host Nitin and we are the channel where we simplify recipes. We do a bit of a travel blogging whenever we travel. So today I am back with fantastic recipe. It's going to be a seafood recipe and it's a North Indian recipe. So before I tell you what recipe it is, if you are new to the channel, make sure you press that red button to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that whenever we do fantastic videos like this, you get an instant notification. And don't forget to press that thumb icon to like our video. So what are we cooking today? So today it's going to be AMRITSARI fish or AMRITSARI fish fry also. This is the North Indian style fish which is coated with spices, a bit of a besan and then deep fried. So let us see what all we need for AMRITSARI fish. So for your AMRITSARI fish you need a white boneless fish. I have taken the whole fish which is easily available, but you can use any meaty white fish for this recipe. So let us add juice of one whole lemon to the fish. So that helps give it a little bit of acidity and prevents that fishy smell. Followed by some mustard paste. If you don't have mustard paste, you can add a little bit of mustard oil as well. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 green chili finely chopped. Let us top it by 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. Some hing or asafoetida. This also helps removing that fishy smell from the fish. Then goes 1 tablespoon of degi red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Followed by salt as per taste. Now this is the ajwain which is also essential for AMRITSARI fish fry. It helps because we are using besan and other ingredients, so it helps the tummy to digest the fish well. So just give it a rub and add to the batter. Now it's time to add the besan, around 3 to 2.5 tablespoon of besan or a gram flour. Now I am here adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And give all these ingredients nice mix. You can add a splash of water if you find the batter is little too dry. Once you mix all these ingredients, it will be a nice red color batter. Look at that. Keep this mixture aside for 15 minutes till the time we will heat our oil. The oil needs to be medium hot and add the fish pieces one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan and do not touch the fishes for around 35 to 45 seconds. Even if they stuck at the bottom, they will release themselves automatically. Once the fish pieces release themselves, look at them. Just increase the flame and fry till they are nice and crispy. Remove the cooked fish on the absorbent paper and voila, you have a AMRITSARI fish fry ready to serve. So let us taste the delicious fish AMRITSARI. Look at that nice soft white fish covered with those spices and batter. Add a dash of lemon, bit of green chutney and a slice of onion. Delicious AMRITSARI fish. So friends, I hope you like that AMRITSARI fish video. So until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.